excited? We'll do spelling in different way, in different way, dun, 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 in different way. You're excited? I'm excited too. So how about doing the different way? Shall we go to play together? Okay, let's play. I will sit. Yeah, let's just play. I will sit. Oh yeah. He said yes. He said oh yeah. Because he said like this. Oh yeah. So it means he said yeah. He said yeah 2 times yeah. So he said yes means yes. There's some magic I will show you with the spellings. With the paper towels. At all. You want to start it, guys? Are you ready? Okay, let's start. We have to sit down. So we have some papers and markers with black sketch pen and red sketch pen, whatever. I have some markers and some paper towels there. So we will start with ABC to 5 spellings. So we have this first fold this paper towel like this. My mommy folded for me. It's already folded. And then we have to. This looks like a booklet, but we're not doing that. We will write it down inside. We will not write it down and out because the magic will start. So let's start the beginning. Marker. Like.
Okay, what do you see, Kahani, outside? Let's.
I saw one little mango tree.
Okay, so let's try this. So this is a game where you are going to see things outside and write it. Okay.
Okay, let's try to write tree, but I don't have to write tree. T-R-E-E, 2 E's.
Okay.
Tree, because E is like E.
That's a long E.
That's a long E. So. T R E and E. Tree. Now what do we want?
Can you draw a tree?
So my brother's flying. He wants to put so it's color. Okay, let's go down. Let's do it. So I make this side. Now we will do like this. You see? Then we'll do again because it's not looking like a tree, so we should color that way. You see? It did look like a tree. Now we will color it after I'm doing. Wait a second, we forgot something to do. Now let's color in the upside. Oh, she's jumping. This is delicious. First. Mama, I want to drink some water.
So now, what do you see? Something else.
Lake. L-E-A-K-E. Lake. So just write down.
What else? What else you see, Kahani?
House.
House. Okay. What's the spelling of house?
H-O-U-C-E. O-U-S. What's it? E?
That's it. E.
This is a closed window. Close. And doors. I see a grass. Let's write that. G-R-A-S-S. Grass. Now we are done. You're see what's gonna happen. I just have to. Now I will show you some magics. Do you see in this paper anything? If we write down spellings and draw it? No, because it's magic. You didn't draw here.
It's inside.
It's inside. And do you see anything here? We draw it and write it down? No. Now I will show you the magic. Are you excited? Water first and write it down inside. Then we're gonna this paper towel and flip it out in here. Let me show you. You have to be careful. It is magic, you see that? Now let's get it up. Wow, it's great now. Oh my God. Here, then now this one will up and out. Let me check. Go again. What happened? Now let's get this off. Any different games, and if you are done with this, you should put your hands if you want to put